wondered how businesses expand beyond borders and find global success? How does a small company in India build partnerships in Kenya, Nigeria, or South Africa? The answer lies in platforms that enable such connections, like BBCIF, the Bridge Business Chambers Industry Federation. In this video, we'll explore what BBCIF is, how it works, and why its role is so crucial in today's global economy. BBCIF is an international level chamber of commerce and industry federation. It operates with the mission to promote trade, investment, and industrial cooperation between India and African nations. Unlike traditional chambers, BBCIF focuses on building bridges, economic, cultural, and strategic partnerships between developing regions. It serves MSMEs, corporates, startups, professionals, and even government bodies looking to collaborate across borders. Here's how BBCIF makes an impact. Trade facilitation, organizes B2B meets, summits, and expos, helps businesses explore new markets and make direct connections with buyers or distributors. Investment promotion, works with investors, venture capitalists, and government-backed initiatives to support joint ventures, encourages both Indian investments in Africa and African investment in Indian markets. Policy advocacy dialogue, engages in high-level dialogues with ministries, embassies, and government departments, shares research-based suggestions to shape pro-business trade policies, market intelligence, provides economic reports, sectoral insights, and risk analysis to help businesses make informed decisions. Supports business registration, legal consulting, and cross-border regulation guidance, skill development mentoring, runs workshops and sessions to upskill young entrepreneurs and professionals in both regions, special focus on empowering youth-led and women-led enterprises. India and Africa are two of the fastest-growing regions in the world, with Africa's natural resources and young population, and India's tech capabilities and service expertise. The collaboration is a win-win. BBCIF ensures that this collaboration goes beyond big corporations and reaches small and medium enterprises, speaking head in silhouette, from agriculture and manufacturing to IT, education, and healthcare. BBCIF is enabling real impact across multiple sectors. In short, BBCIF is not just a chamber, it's a global platform built for impact, a space where businesses from India and Africa don't just meet, but grow together. Whether you're a startup dreaming big or a policymaker seeking economic change, BBCIF is here to support your journey. Cheering Megaphone, subscribe to @BBCIF Bridge for more global business insights and follow us to be part of this international movement. Globe with Meridians, let's bridge borders. Let's build futures.